Alright guys, thanks for checking out Stormtopia.com and the Stormtopia.com Facebook page. We're going to have our daily weather update right now. We've moved on from the first 3 storms of December, and we're now on our 4th storm. And it's in the longer range, but of course we're going to be taking a look at it. Now, if you haven't heard about it, it's going to be happening around Christmas, and so we're going to talk about it in this video. I mean guys, it's way out there. All the models are showing different solutions, okay? Here are just the points here. But all the models do show a storm of some sorts, and the reason why is because the storm moves east out of the Midwest, and it can't just miss the East Coast. It has to do something before it moves into the Atlantic. Okay? Again, it's near Christmas. This would really disrupt travel time, okay? And we'll show you what the model's shown in a minute. We have the teleconnections are all negative, and the models, the accurate ones like the NAM and the Seref model have not come into range yet. And this is more of a potential forecast and saying, okay, it's going to happen, this is what's going to happen. It's not like that, it's more of just a potential. Okay, so stay tuned, and we're going to take a look right now at the GFS model. Okay, and now that we have it configured here, I'll take you out to 114 hours. See how we got some snow developing here in the upper plains, and as we continue to make our way out for time, heavier snow continues to develop here. And we're talking about blizzard conditions through the day on Friday and into Christmas Eve here for the heartland into the Ohio Valley. And as the storm continues to move east, it wraps up in a new upper level low pressure center. The trough really digs in, and the snow continues to fall heavier. Deformation bands up and down the east coast as the storm moves off to the northeast. Very heavy snow in the 1 to 2 foot plus range. Okay, so congrats GFS. That was a really nice Broadway performance here, guys. Okay, but it's more of a Broadway performance compared to an actual storm, as we know the GFS loves to show these kind of things. So we take a look at the other guidance products. I'll show you the European here. European does develop a low pressure center, moves out of the Midwest. Okay, almost weakens it here as it moves out of the plains into the Ohio Valley, but anyway, moves off the east coast. Not a major snow event, probably not many areas getting more than 6 inches on the Euro, but it is showing the storm. And then we have the Canadian GEM model showing that we're looking at the storm develops out of the Midwest, much similar to the other two, then just kind of agrees with the Euro, sorta, and just dips the storm off to the east. Kind of like the January 29th through 30th storm last year, except a couple hundred miles north. So, one thing I did forget to show you was the teleconnections, and I said I would, so here they are. Here's the NAO, guys. Looks to be below neutral, or maybe close to neutral, but probably falling as we make our way through time. The Arctic Oscillation is going to be rising, eventually peaking above neutral, but not as the storm moves in. And then the PNA will be probably below neutral and slowly falling as we make our way on in through time. So that's the different indices and models that we're looking at for this event. Hope you enjoyed this forecast video. Please spread the word about our website, and have a great day.